Basically, it starts with a discovery call, with talent acquisition, focusing a bit on your previous journey, telling you a bit more about the interview process, answering any questions that you might have. The next step would be a hiring manager interview. That would also be a virtual call. The hiring manager and one of our design leads, focusing a bit more in detail on your previous journey. After that, we come to the task presentation round. That's an interview round where you will get a take-home assignment. Usually it's 1 week prior to the interview. So you will solve the task and then prepare a presentation with your solution, and then present your solution in the next interview round. There will be then more members from the specific team joining there. And the last step of the process would then be get to know the team meetings. So this is really more informal conversations to get to know each other, ask more questions, and to have also some space for that. Our design and experience team is designing for a highly technical audience for our observability platform. The more complex the projects you show in the portfolio, the better. Must-haves for us is usually prepare just 1 or 2 of your strongest past projects. So ideally from B2B, SaaS, and desktop software. Avoid showing any B2C or mobile examples. What we are looking for specifically is showing your process, your specific responsibilities, the challenges and the strategy behind your projects. Also mention who was the user, what was the problem, and in the end it would be also super cool if you show a bit your reflection. So what would you do differently now after finishing the project? Maybe also some tips. Structure and storytelling matter much more than just the visual appealing. Also focus on putting quality over quantity. So when we say we really want to see 1 to 2 samples, that's really enough, and just pick the projects that you think relate the best to the position that you applied for and what we are most curious about. I highly recommend doing some research in advance about Dynatrace, our product. So maybe just try out our playground and dig deeper into our product so you get a better feeling about the complexity and the size of our software product. Also do some more research about the requirements of the position. So really look what we are looking for and focus when you tell us about your journey, focus on what's interesting for us mostly. And the last point, what I would recommend is prepare also some questions. So show that you're interested in, is it in our company, the team, the role, just prepare some questions.